Question 15 of the JAMB 2019 Mathematics Past Question, that's a UTME CBT exam. It says U is inversely proportional to the cube of V and U is equal to 81 when V is equal to 2. Find U when V is equal to 3. Okay, so this is still variation, but now you can see this is inversely proportional. The number 14 is what directly proportional, while this is what inversely proportional. So let's interpret this. It says U is inversely, which will be 1 over inversely proportional to the cube of V. That is what V cube. Okay, and it says and U is equal to 81 when V is equal to 2. So let's introduce our constant to get our K. Okay, introducing our constant, this variation sign will change to what an equal to sign. So we have what U is equal to, your constant doesn't go down. Okay, it's always up. So is equal to what K over what V cube. Okay, so from here let's find K. So K will be what? K is equal to UV cube. Okay, so where U is what? U is 81 times our V is what? 2, which is 2 cube. Okay, so we have 81 times what? 2 cube is what? 2 times 2 times 2. That is what? 8. Okay, so what is 81 times 8? That will give us what? A 648. Okay, you have an on-screen calculator, or better still, I remember doing my own JAMB, I had to practice without using a calculator, so it will help you to make you faster. Okay, so from here the question says find U. All right, so to find U, all right, so this is what we're going to use to find U. So here U is equal to find U when V is 3. We already know our K as what? 648. So we have 648 divided by V is what? 3, which is what? 3 raised to the power 3. All right, and if you punch in your calculator, 3 raised to the power 3, that's 27. 648 divided by what? 27, you're going to get what? 24. So U is what? 24. And our right option here is option A.